Okay, this is 62. Sorry, I get these numbers mixed up. There's so many of them. These are my last building. It's Thursday morning, pouring down rain, and you can just really see the problems that these roofs occur. Some of them are no-brainers. Water's running right in there, right in the house, whether they see it or not. I mean, this is not rocket science. This is very, very simple. This is one of the worst ones, this building, that I've seen. All of these vents are collapsing. You probably can't tell with the top, they're collapsing. You could see, these are what PRV50s are known for. You see that? I don't want to push on it. That is the arch support underneath the thin millimeter piece of plastic that's over it. If I was to push on that, it'd just collapse. And a lot of roofs I go on, the whole tops are missing. But that's the good part about these vents. The bad part is they crack. They crack. These are covering holes, and they crack. And these roofs, that's all they have on them, are PRV50s. I think this is 1966. I mean, these are in bad shape. One thing I haven't mentioned, I don't think, on these, is every one of these units, I'm going to fix these, what's called the collar on these. You could see where they've tried to caulk it over the years, but it gets so hot that it just breaks off. Look at that, just breaks right off. And so the water goes in there, whether you see it or not. I've been doing this since 1982. And when you take off these roofs and you put a new roof on, the wood tells you exactly the story of this, what's going on top of the roof. So all of the collars on every single one, and there's chimneys on each building. Every one. All the way. All these chimneys I'm going to seal. Every single one of them. Pete's is already done. But yeah, so all of these vents go. Obviously, those, what's called the pipe jacks, are to be replaced. This is the worst building I've seen so far, the last one here. Every single pipe jack will be replaced. They just can't handle the heat. The galvanized plates never go bad, obviously. It's the rubber neoprene fitting that goes bad on these. So, yeah, all the vents, every one of them, the plastic vents go. Not the metal ones. You notice I haven't been going to replace any metal vents because they're fine. It's the plastic vents on a roof. If it's 100 degrees outside, it's 150 plus on this roof. Sometimes up to, depending on the angle of the sun and time of day, it's 170 degrees, 180. And they just can't handle it. And then the freezing in the winter. So that's why I always replace plastic with metal. So, and then of course, all the kickouts. There's no kickout flashings at all. I've went underneath the overhangs while it's raining out, which was a great time, by the way, to come out and finish this inspection. Miscellaneous repairs on the overhang. Okay, thank you.